Hello everyone, welcome back to the Prosub-Mavis channel. I'm your old friend Vincent. I have a question for the beginning. Are you a professional digital video gamer? If you are, this video is specifically made to you because I'm going to cover a sequence of Sublimation Keycaps information that's really conducive to your business. So without much saying, let's jump right into it. Have you ever wondered how these Sublimation keyboards are printed with these beautiful custom designs? Let me unravel this mystery by this machine. So this machine is the answer to all the questions about Sublimation keycaps. Look at from the outside, we can see here the main board, the pressure indicator and the switcher here. So the secret to print out a beautiful set of Sublimation keycaps lies within. We are capable to customize the Sublimation keycap jigs or the Sublimation keycap based on your specific requirement. Look at this Sublimation keycaps, how beautiful and adorable it is. And through the sublimation process, it is suffused with vibrant colors and even the character, you can see it on it. Here we go with this Sublimation aluminum jig, which is enabled to withstand a high temperature and high pressures, enabling to provide accuracy and precision, which is the most essential part of the sublimation machine. Apart from choosing a sublimation jig, it is also important to pick out a suitable sublimation keycap. Look at this one. And we put it here, and another one. Look at this one, the Sublimation keycap cherry profile. And we are also able to provide the NOE, OEM, or whatever type of Sublimation keycap profile we are capable to help you to customize often. Last but not least, choosing a sublimation fuse is also a critical step to finish the job. Look at this one, sublimation fill, transparent color. And before we transfer the design onto the sublimation fill, after we transfer the design onto the sublimation fill, we can use this hole puncher to stick hole from the up to the down within the specific distance here. After we got this sublimation fill with your transfer patterns, we can, just like me doing this, place down gently upon the sublimation vacuum machine. There's one thing you must pay attention here, just press down this pinpoint, hold it tightly in prevention from the heatiness from losing. So as the old saying goes, practice is the only way to verify the principle. So let's use this sublimation blank keycaps to customize the beautiful sublimation keycap like this here presentation just that I've showed before. The workflow is simple: print, dry, mount, vacuum, heat, and peel. Note that the temperature should be set at 130 to 140 degrees, and the time should be about 6 minutes. Okay, as the transformation process done, I can't wait to check out what we got here. Wow, look at this one. Those sublimation keycaps are supported with a custom design and custom patterns, so don't hesitate to choose our Sublimation keycaps here. We can not only able to handle the soul color design. In the meanwhile, we are also able to cover those black and white mixed pattern here. So that's all of the material today. And if you find out that this video is so engaging and entertaining, and then most importantly, I hope it is so helpful and constructive to your sublimation business. So please don't hesitate to smash on this button below for subscription and follow up for more content about it, as well as reposting this video by sharing your valuable comments below. And if you got any question about sublimation that have been bothering you so long, Don't worry, write it down. I will do my best job to check out every single information that you have published out and answer it back to you. Thank you so much for watching, and the next video is already in the pipeline, and I'm pretty sure you'll be blown away as well. Stay tuned. With over 15 years of experience and R&D and 500 modes, Prosub offers the right sublimation vacuum machine for any business. We are equipped with our R&D department, enabling us to provide customization service according to your requirement. If you want to upgrade your sublimation production, visit Prosub to get your solution.